This video covers how to use Cisco Jabber to take your Cisco VoIP UAB phone calls from another device such as mobile or desktop. Find installation instructions at go.uab.edu/jabber. There, you will select the installation instructions and user guide for your device. Follow the instructions to install. To access Cisco Jabber on your device, launch the application. Approve access and permissions as you prefer. Read and accept the Cisco Jabber terms. Log in using your Blazer ID at uab.edu. Authenticate with your Blazer ID and password. Cisco Jabber soft phones work similar to the physical handset. You can access UAB's contacts through the search or add additional contacts. Voicemail can be accessed within the app. Simply click the message to play. Make and receive calls through the app just as you would on your physical handset. Phone forwarding is available for critical business purposes. See go.uab.edu/remote work for more information.